Nigga, what?
He just talk.
Bro, imagine being in the woods, bro.
Bro, what?
Nigga.
Bro, the moment I heard that, nigga, I'm taking off. Bro, I'm out of there. That's the day I turn into Flash. I'm telling you, bro, I'll be gone, bro. I wouldn't give a fuck who I'm with. I ain't gonna be the last one. I'm first or I'm in the middle, but the last nigga ain't gonna be me. You know what I mean? I hear that shit, nigga, I'm out of there. Because the first thing that comes to my mind ain't gonna be crawl, you know what I'm saying? Bro. It's a makada, you know? It's a job. No, it's a lugao, bro. I'm out of there.